Rid of intestinal parasites recipe. When you hear the term intestinal parasite, you likely think of animals or people living in third world countries. However, this is not true at all. The World Health Organization has estimated that more than 3 billion people are infected around the world by intestinal parasite. It is one of the highest reasons that people seek medical attention. However, there are many more people that are suffering from these parasites and do not ever show symptoms. Most often, these parasites enter your body through contaminated food or drinks. Children are often the most infected, most likely, since they seem to place everything in their mouths and have some sort of hatred for washing their hands. However, people of all ages are at equal risk to contract these parasites if they are exposed to unsanitary conditions. Sometimes it is hard to discover these intestinal parasites. The symptoms sometimes mirror other ailments, which makes it difficult to diagnose. It is very important to keep these symptoms in mind, as if you do contract a parasite, it is important to seek treatment as quickly and as early as possible. If you believe that you may have an intestinal parasite or are experiencing the symptoms above, you should consult your doctor to be diagnosed properly. If your doctor confirms that you in fact have intestinal parasite, the most important thing to do is to modify your diet immediately. You should reduce the amount of sugar and processed food that you consume. Your doctor will likely prescribe medical treatment to get rid of the parasite. However, you can also take advantage of some all-natural solution that support your digestive system and do not cause weird or unpleasant side effects. Flax seed and cloves are natural remedy that has become popular for eliminating these parasites. These ingredients can control swelling, kill germs, and kill parasites. Battle these infections prior to them developing into more serious condition. Benefits of cloves. Cloves are spice that is found in most kitchens, but it can also clean your body and kill germs. They can also prevent blood clots and improve any cardiac or circulatory problems. Cloves provide nutrients like vitamin B, vitamin K, calcium, magnesium, fatty acids. They are used to treat diarrhea, infections like cholera, tuberculosis, malaria, fungal and bacterial infections. So flax seeds. Flax seeds are known as a superfood, dense in certain nutrients that help our bodily functions. Flax seeds are high in fatty acid, dietary fiber, and antioxidants, which all help your digestive system. Seed can absorb quite a bit, so they can eliminate any stored toxins that are built up in your colon. They are also gentle on your stomach, help the good bacteria in your digestive system to protect your intestine. A bonus to cleansing your body with cloves and flax seeds is that it will also help with weight loss. This method is used over the course of 3 days, but it may be extended as long as 7 days.